Elsewhere across the state, College Station clear 8. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Williamson County, Hayes County, Travis County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Leander to near Lakeway to near Henley, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Georgetown, San Marcos, Pflugerville, Kyle, Buda, Dripping Springs, Wimberley, Tanglewood Forest, Andersonville, Austin Bergstrom International Airport, Windermere, Leander, Hutto, Lakeway, Manor, Lago Vista, and Bee Cave. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The Austin